Hi, this is John with TOZO and I was trying to have a good, nice set of reliable earbuds. This is where this TOZO T10 comes into place, and there's a few features that makes this earbuds so good. Some of the few things is the long-lasting battery. This has over 45 hours of long-lasting battery that you can pretty much have weeks of using this. And the charging case, it has a great option for you just to put it in any pocket. This fits pretty much anywhere. There's a punchy bass that how it's also this company is really good, like working with the sound quality overall. And the this is IP68 too, which means that you can actually get some splash proof. Of course, it's not like I'm going to go and swim with them, but I know that maybe if they get a little bit of water, it's not gonna it's not like it's gonna break down immediately like that. So this gives you a lot of ease of mind. So good battery, it's easy to draw around with. You just know that you can just take care of them, and it's gonna be just fine. So this was Sean with WTI, and that was my point of view.